I go into a lot of stores and over the years, and I've seen a lot of managers who were good quality people, but they were undereducated. They had no type of formal training to help them run their high-performing business. And unfortunately, people hold them in contempt, but it's not the fact that they don't understand, they just have never been trained. So what we want to do is we want to help train that manager, number one, how to run the business effectively, number one. Number two, want to work with them on how to be leaders of their business, not just managers. The leaders, in our opinion, are the people that are out there that are inspiring their people to perform at higher levels. They're creating an environment within their department that it's about performance. I've had the opportunity to work with a client in Dallas, Carl Sewell. And over the years, the one thing that Carl drilled into my head as a vendor to them was performance is leadership. And I totally believe that, all right? Performance is leadership. In all sports, you take a look at the different sports teams out there, the ones that are performing at the higher level are the leaders of their business because everybody else looks at them and gets motivated. They get inspiration by listening to them, by being around them. That's what we want to work with a manager on. Now, it's easily said, but this is not something you come in and touch your foreheads and all of a sudden they start doing it. This is something that takes some time to do. But that's our goal, is to establish that manager, not as a manager per se, but as a leader. And frankly, a manager has to really be both. You know, in our opinion, that manager is the one that designs and implements processes. But the leader is the one who inspires their people, secures their buy-in, and gets an environment where everybody wants to excel to higher levels of performance.